YouTube, and today I will be showing you how to make a typing effect. So if you don't know what I mean, let me show you an example. And the app you will need is wrong one. I will be showing you though, because I want everybody to have a good channel just like me. Whoa. Okay, I believe this is it, yes. So I'll show you how to get this effect. Also, link down in the description for the app. And if you want the same intro as me, download link will be in the description. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open KineMaster, or however you pronounce it. And actually you want to go to the link in the description and download it. I actually downloaded it from someone else, but I forgot their channel name, and now I want to click it. I want to click what I just downloaded. You want to press download, and it should show you some stuff. And so this is what you should have. Well, or I don't know which one you will have, but this is what I will have. Or you will have it too if you click the one in the link down in the description. So first you want to click layer, and then you want to add text. And you want to put your channel name or whatever you want to do. You can put welcome back. I don't know if you're going to use this or something else, like a little notepad. I don't know, but this is how you will add a text effect. And you want to press OK. And you want to press, it's like right here, and it's like this first thing, and this side has two A's, capital and lowercase. And you want to pick noto serif regular, or noto serif bold, or noto serif, no, anything that says noto serif, anything. But I like noto serif bold because it's like thick and I like it. I just like it. And so you want to pick a color black. And then I'm going to show you how to do it, but you want to line it up for what you're going to do. So I'm going to put it right here, and I want to take it off, so like from right there, and then it goes away. Okay, so this is how you do it. So you're going to click the text again, and then you want to press this. Hold on, let me circle it for you. Sorry for all that. And you want to click this right here. It's like an end animation. How you want to do it. And you want to go to something, it should say letter by letter, and it should look like this. You want to click 5 by 5, or, which I don't like it to be too slow, 2 or 2 by 5. But I like 1 by 5, so you can click that too, 1 by 5. But if you want it slower, it can go 3 by 5. Or if you want it faster, 0 by 5. Or before 0 by 5. And but I don't want it 0 by 5. I want it 1 by 5 or 2. But 2 is still a little slow, so I like 1 by half. So, and then boom, you have like the little typing. And I want to, just look at that. Boom. Okay, so then you want to click audio also. I will show you how to download this audio in a second. So you want to go to folders, and you want to download and typing sound effect. No copyright. Add it. And then you want to trim it to the typing part. Scoot it to the... Oop, it's not going. Okay. Well, you understand. You're supposed to, just put it where it's supposed to go at. And I'm not sure what is going on. Okay, there we go. Okay, and you want to make it start typing, I guess. And then I might not have it lined up the best, but yeah, that's not lined up at all. But it would sound, you want to like put it to 200 so you can be able to hear over the music that you have chosen. You don't have to choose this music. So that is what it's supposed to sound like, which it is cooperating. So I'm gonna delete it and I'm gonna add it back to where it cooperates. And also, download link will be in the description. Just download it. I will show you how to download it anyways, so you don't have to worry about it. So like this. So yeah. So when you have the audio, you're gonna play it and see how it sounds. And of course, you want to trim it to like that, to where it says typing, and play. And that's how you do the typing effect. Hope you like this tutorial. Bye.